Om Namah Shivaya. Here is a beautiful elongated Lord SUKRAN conch pearl collected from Indian Ocean conch. It is very high density pearl and 28 carat in weight. I will show on the light to prove its originality. See, I am showing in the light. Tip you can see the reflection of the pearl, and here bottom you cannot see the more reflection. This pearl is very high density pearl. This pearl is very high density pearl. Tip you can see the reflection. It shows the originality of the pearl. Very high density pearl. Extremely high density pearl. Now I show on the light and prove its originality. By having this pearl with you, you can get extreme blessings of Lord SUKRAN, which gives you very good happy healthy life. This elongated pearl in this shape is very hard to collect. Its elongated shape is very hard to collect. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Conch pearl collected from the Indian Ocean sea conches. This pure weight is for Lord SUKRAN, elongated shape. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.